Hi guys, Chox here, and welcome back to the kitchen playlist for today's video. Today we are going to make 4 simple vegetables look like 2 awesome Christmas themed party plates. Let's go have a look. Okay, so like dinner parties are upon us, and if you're asked to take a veggie plate, this is just a couple of ways we can spruce it up. I'm just working with some broccoli. I've got a yellow pepper, but you can use an orange pepper, a red pepper, just something with color in it. I've got some cherry tomatoes and I've got some celery. So we're going to do a Christmas tree and a wreath today, and I'm going to put them on this plate here. So first we need to wash and prep our vegetables. So I'm just going to wash them up and then I'll set up and show you how I'm going to prep them. Okay, so first we're going to do a Christmas tree, and the broccoli florets are going to be the base of that. And I kind of have a neat little triangle plate here, so I'm going to kind of make little triangles come out with the broccoli, and then we're going to accessorize it with the other vegetables. So when you're doing broccoli, just hold it by the edge, just kind of cut into it, and the florets just fall right off. So easy. Cut these ones into little smaller pieces because you want them bite-sized so that people can nibble at them. Alright. I'll just move those there for now. Just go around in the circle and it'll go in. I save these for stock for soup, or in case we need any sort of additional stuff, decoration. Alright. Now you want to use as much as you're going to need for your plate or your party or your seating. I'm not hosting a huge party today, so we're just going to make a nice small plate. And so here we go, and I'm just going to start making a tree shape out of these broccolis. The ones that are cut in half, just putting the half side down so they don't roll away. Do it like a pyramid and then fill it in. 3, 4. So you just want to line them all up in there and get them into a tree shape.
Make it look pretty. Let me stuff these guys over here.
See the tree shape coming into play here? There we go. I'll just use all the broccoli on here. Alright, well it kind of looks like a little bush, but I mean whatever. It gets the point across. So now we're going to wipe our cutting board and go on to the next feature. Okay, so what we're going to do next is just cut some celery stalks to go as the stalk of the Christmas tree. Although I didn't leave very much room for that here today. Just slide that up. There. So we're going to make the stump of the tree here out of celery stalks. So we're going to make the stump of the tree here out of celery stalks. Just cut off the ends. Just like this. Looks like we'll have a little bit of extra. with that, you're just going to tuck them right into the middle. Just like that. So now the tree has a nice little stalk. There we go. So now we're going to use our pepper. Just cut the top off. Cut the top off. I'm going to scoop out the insides there. So that's what I'm left with. And now I'm just going to cut it in half. So if it's 3 like that, I'm just going to cut it in half. Now a trick with the pepper is to cut it on the inside so you don't squish it. The skin is a lot tougher to cut. So if you just cut it on the inside like this, it will give you nice little shapes. And that will come in handy in just a couple of seconds here. Alright, so now with these, we'll bring our tree back. Now with these little nice pepper slices, we're just going to make like a little garland. See how that's just going to lay in there? Doo-doo-doo. There we go. And then also, if you wanted to, take one of these smaller pieces and then slice it. You can also go up here and just crisscross them and make a star shape. Look, we have a little star. Or antennas. And now we're just going to take some of these nice cherry tomatoes and we're going to put them on here like lights. Just kind of fill in the gaps. So 4 vegetables, that's all this took. It's nice and bright and colorful. It's perfect to take to a potluck or a Christmas dinner, or if you're having friends over, it's a nice way to just liven up a plate. Make it look a little more festive. It's fun to have fun with your food sometimes. So there we go, a lovely little Christmas tree. Well, there we go. This is a cute little vegetable Christmas tree. I serve it with my 2-second dip. I'll put the link to the video right there. It's fast. So yeah, it's cute, it's easy, it's creative, and you don't need a lot of interesting ingredients, just straight up stuff. I hope you enjoy making this. Now let's go and try making a wreath. Okay, so here we are. We are now going to use the exact same vegetables right here that we've already prepped to make a wreath. I'm only changing the plate because a round wreath looks better on a roundish sort of plate. So we're going to take all this broccoli that we chopped up and just kind of put it the floret side out so it looks nice. Make a circle out of it. Do 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 do. Easy, on a budget, entertaining. It's impressive, it's delicious, it's nutritious. Yeah, anyway. So and do another layer around the middle to kind of hide those stalks. You see how that's coming together? And they'll kind of stand a little bit more upright. Give it some body. Okay, if it doesn't go all the way around, fake it. If you have an extra one, fake it. Just kind of squeeze it all in there. It's only vegetables. It's nothing to get stressed over. You want to make it look kind of nice. You see, like, that's lovely. Now, right meow. So now, right now, I have my quick, easy, no-fail dip. I'll link, you know, I've already said that. That's going in the middle. So that's going to give me my roundness. Okay. We'll set that to the side so nothing spills in it. So we're going to take those pepper slices that we made and just kind of angle them in again like garland. See how lovely? Filling in the gaps. And it doesn't need to be perfect. This is meant for people to eat. Just look at it, you get the hint of what it's supposed to be. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Vegetables, you gotta have fun with vegetables too. There we go. And then these lovely cherry tomatoes again, and just plop them wherever there's kind of a little spot that will hold them. Just to make the baubles again. These things are so handy. Oops. I got all this stuff on sale, so it's like maybe $5 or $6 for this veggie tray is what I paid for the raw materials. And really, it's that easy to make a stunning little plate that you can serve at home or take with you. You have celery sticks, throw celery sticks in there. Make a little hanger. We'll make a little wooden hanger up here out of celery sticks. Look at that. That's how we hang it. Good enough. Good enough, good enough. Look at that. Then you stick your dip right in the middle. And then that way you can make it as big or as small as you need it to be. So, you know, if you don't use up all your veggies, you can always cook them in dinner the next day. Keep munching out. It's a delicious, delicious thing. Oh, and there we go. Lovely vegetable wreath. Quick and easy. Alright, you guys, that is it for me. I hope you enjoyed this little quick kitchen video. It's a lot of fun to do things a little bit different when you can. Yeah, thanks for hanging out and joining me around the table. Oh, what's that? Oh, that's a tomato. Please feel free to click one of these boxes hanging out around my head. It'll take you to the playlist, a YouTube recommended video, or whatever they have us doing now. And make sure you subscribe, hit that bell, you know when I upload. Go in the kitchen and have some fun. Food is fun. All right, I will see you guys next time on the channel. Bye. Delicious.